I have applied so many times through Daft, but I wasn't lucky. Now with HomeHak, I have been offered 3 houses in 2 weeks. I hope that Dell or any company should utilize such a great tool that eases people's life. My name is Abdelrahman Gouda. I have been working for Dell Technologies for the past 3 years remotely from Egypt, and then I have been offered a relocation into Limerick. I have been aware of the housing situation beforehand, but I haven't realized how saturated the market is until I have arrived. So the process and selection through Daft is quite complicated, and it's designed around the houses being listed, and then my application is basically one through many applications. I have been prepared for this and I have applied so many times through Daft, but I wasn't lucky. And then I have stumbled across HomeHak, and to be honest, Pat have been very supportive of me. The HomeHak situation has solved a very complex problem in which I think it has flipped the problem from being about the property into about people. I have been prepared and organized. I have all my documents in place anyway through Daft, but I just couldn't get any opportunity. Now with HomeHak, I have been offered 3 houses in the time span of 2 weeks, and now I have gladly accepted the house in which I am in now. The whole process is much easier, it's much faster. My tenant CV is in order and is in place. I hope that Dell or any company should utilize such a great tool that helps eases people's life. Thank you.